Hi, Eli.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. We are here in Falls of Hills Creek. We're gonna check out the falls. Are you excited to see the falls?
Yes.
Okay. It's part of the West Virginia Waterfall Trail, so we will check this out. They say that the first falls is ADA accessible. Oh, well, we have a little stroller, so we'll see how it handles. So we're gonna show you the here. It says Forging Waterfall, a difficult journey, worth the climb, and oh wow! So we are not very sure if this is easier for us with the kids. So I don't know. We will just wanna check this out. So Falls of Hills Creek Scenic Area and Woolly. What I'm gonna do is take a picture of this and then I'll check in later if I have service. So as you can see, this is ADA accessible, so if you have wheelchair or stroller, you can still visit the falls. Just the first one. Cold. The pathway towards the first waterfall is paved. There are a lot of pine trees here. We need a hiking stick, huh, Sammy? This time of the year, since it is off season, if you visit here, it's either there'll be one car, two cars, but today we just saw one car and then they just left, so we're the only ones who will visit the falls. So if you want to really visit the falls and you are not a fan of crowded people, so I think this must be the best time of the year. Are you guys okay?
We're okay.
All right. You have gloves.
On us?
In the car? Yeah, in the car. You want to go back?
Nah, it's not that important.
Okay.
Those old people didn't have gloves.
I'd like to have gloves for me.
Right.
Okay, so this must be all this pathway because if you go towards or go straight, there's a gravel road. So maybe it's a hiking trail. Let me see. I should have brought my glasses. Fork Mountain Trail. But this is the upper fall. So if you go straight, it's for the... Oh, this is actually the Fork Mountain Trail, the blue marker. So we are going to the upper fall, the upper falls. Oh, this is interesting. A bleak future for hemlock. Can you imagine an insect being the single greatest threat to a tree? Sadly, it's happening with eastern hemlock in North America. Hemlocks provide food and cover for many species. Introduced from Asia, the hemlock woolly adelgid feeds on sap in the needles of hemlock trees. Healthy hemlocks are a shiny, dark green. Those attacked by the adelgid often look dull, grayish green. This is the Upper Falls, 25 feet. Pirate of the Headwaters. Hills Creek was once much shorter. Thousands of years ago, its headwaters cut through Spruce Mountain. As a result, Hills Creek also captured the headwaters of the North Fork of Cherry River. This stream piracy caused Hills Creek to swell in size. The added volume of water eroded rock in the stream bed. It's long.
Yeah, it's going to be slick too.
You have to be very careful. Ooh.
Wait on Mommy, she'll help us get the harness.
We are not sure how far will be the second falls, but we'll check out. There's still pathway going down right there. So this is mostly gravel now. But I think the lower falls will be towards this direction.
It's a mushroom. Look, look.
Oh yeah, it's a mushroom.
Come on, take a picture. Take a picture. Picture with my phone.
I will send it to you.
Is it poisonous?
Yeah, maybe.
I got you, buddy.
That's amazing. Very pretty, huh?
This is gonna be so cool. That looks really pretty to me. I can't see it from here though. I want to go see it.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Wow, it goes on and on, baby.
Look, it's the endless stairs.
I'm ready.
It's the endless stairs.
Tommy, very slow, baby. It is a little high.
Oh, it's the stairs to heaven. It's the endless stairs. Look,
It's the endless stairs. It is. This is pretty.
Yeah, it is.
Every time we tag you along, guys, in our trip like this, we actually want you to experience how hard or easy it is when we're hiking, because if you do get to see this place also, then you are anticipating pathway you have to take, just like this one. It's a little kind of difficult if you are not fond of heights, but we made it. I am not really a fan of heights, but here I am. I made it. The good thing is it doesn't bother Troy and the kids.
Down around the valley around us.
There's another one right there, a small waterfall. Since we started going to see waterfall back in October, maybe part of September, this is the prettiest so far. This is worth visiting. The next season, you guys, if you want to visit some of the waterfalls here in West Virginia, the Falls of Hills Creek is a must-see waterfall. Yeah, it's another one. This is the third waterfall. Yeah. My gosh, baby, it's another step down.
Yeah, I figure.
It's steep. I'm not really a fan of heights. It's a little scary. I wish I had good knees. of water. This is the lower fall, 63 feet.
Hey Eli, how tall is this one?
Disappearing Act. Where does Hills Creek flows from here? From here, Hills Creek flows southeast and sinks underground on private property at the base of Droop Mountain. The water re-emerges as limestone springs to form Locust Creek and continues until it joins the Greenbrier River, the start of an almost 2,000-mile journey to the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, don't get wet hands.
By Waterfall. It's so nice to see the three waterfalls here in Falls Hills Creek. We made it here in the Middle Falls, and I think this wide space here probably a resting area for people who went down the waterfall, the third waterfall. It is a hike. I thought I couldn't make it. I was very nervous though. That was a fantastic falls. Oh, there's water.
Yeah, there's a creek.
Yeah. It came from there, up there, buddy. That's nice, huh? I am very impressed that they really did develop this place. I didn't even know about this fall.
Me neither.
I mean, it's really pretty. How come it's not a lot of people talking about Falls of Hills Creek?
Yeah, buddy.
We are going to cross the bridge. So we are on our way back to our car.
Yes, the leaves have fallen. Do you want
Are you
to?
going up the steps, Eli? Chasing. Oh, this must be the way
Yeah, you can.
to go there.
Everyone's home.
There's a blue trail.
Yeah.
Wow.
There are more people here. We made it. We made it to the car. And it was a difficult hike on the way back, but going down it was pretty easy. It was exciting, but on the way back, not so much. It was difficult for us, but we made it. All in all, I think it's like a 1.3 miles going to and back. If you guys want to visit this Falls of Hills Creek, it's worth it. There are really 3 beautiful waterfalls. And this is less known here in West Virginia that I know of. I don't think I've heard this until a few days ago. So it was worth the visit. So if you guys want to come here, it's in Hillsboro, West Virginia.
It's really pretty. 3 really pretty waterfalls. Prettiest we've seen so far in West Virginia.
Each falls that we visited here in West Virginia has distinct features. This one is very different because we've been to Sandstone and other falls like Blackwater Falls. This one is very different. I think they have like a distinct formation of the rocks under the waterfall. And then, of course, it's like 3 cascades, right?
3 different falls in one.
3. Yeah, 3 different falls in one. So it's quite a hike. If you guys really want some unique or different kinds of waterfalls, because some waterfalls are shorter, some are taller, it is a must-see waterfall here in West Virginia. And I hope you guys will have the chance to enjoy this waterfall the next season, like in the spring or in the summer. Thank you for tagging along with us, and until our next adventure, bye!